Hello, drivers, and welcome to another safety video. Here's a question for you, drivers out there on the road. Have you ever been driving in your vehicle, your car, and you hear a loud noise? You go out, you pull over somewhere and safe, and you take a look and you see that it's a flat tire. You go to your trunk to get that spare tire, and you realize there's no spare tire in there because newer cars nowadays, most of them don't come with spare tires. So this happens to people, when they're in a newer car, they get a flat and they realize, hey, there's no spare tire in here. What should I do? Well, of course, there's a couple of options, but first, let's consider why. Why don't manufacturers put spare tires in these newer cars, newer vehicles? Well, there's a couple of reasons for that. One of them is fuel efficiency. And of course, when we talk about spare tires, we know the weight, every pound counts. That spare tire adds weight, it reduces miles per gallon. So a lot of manufacturers are doing away with them because of that. Next, we think about space in your vehicle, your trunk, right? Not having a spare tire, that creates added space. You can put more things in your trunk, groceries, etc., in there um, as well. And then some of these newer vehicles, they have these run flat tires. These are special tires that are designed to keep you rolling for a limited distance, even after a puncture, uh, giving you time to get to a repair shop or a safe location. So those are some of the reasons why they stop putting. A lot of newer cars don't have these spare tires in them. So the question is again, if you are in a newer vehicle and you get a flat and there's no spare, what do you do? Well, a lot of these cars, they come with an actual tire repair kit in them. And what that is it's a kit that includes like a sealant that you can use to inject into the tire to temporarily plug the hole. It's a quick fix and it's not a permanent fix, but it's a quick fix to kind of get you going till you can get to a repair shop or again a safe location. So that's one option. Of course, there's you if you have a service, some type of service that you can call to come and actually help you out with regards to changing a flat and get you somewhere safe. Then you can also use that. Of course, you can use that service. Um, but again, this is just to make you aware of. If you're not aware of it, some people are not. With regard, drivers are not, especially those driving newer cars. That the cars nowadays they're not coming with those actual spare tires. So hope that helps you with regards to that information. Of course, this channel is all about driving safety, and we know that sometimes when you're out there driving, a flat tire might happen. So, but let us know in the comment sections, what do you normally do when you get a flat? Do you change it yourself? Do you always get you a spare and keep a spare in there so you can change it? Do you call a service? Let us know in the comment section. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe for more driving safety content. Until next time, drive safe out there.